Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the HUV in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, via drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find new project, open from computer. And right here, you're going to find templates. Go ahead and click on your project. And then once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a name for your project. Here, you can choose the width, the height, and also DPI. Here in the bottom, you can choose a size for your image. Right here, you're going to find social, print, photo, and here you're going to find screen. So basically, guys, right here, for example, I'm going to choose this one, click on create, and now the project is created. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your image. So right now, firstly, I'm going to add or open an image from my computer. For example, I'm going to add this one. And right now, if you want to change the HUA settings, go here to the bottom, and then right here, you're going to find this icon, add eraser mask, or click on this one, new adjustment layer. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Go ahead and click on HUV and saturation, and then it will be added right here. Once you do that, you're going to find all of the HUV settings right here. You can change it from here, as you can see, guys. You can also change the saturation and also the lightness. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.